Assalamu alaikum. Our topic of discussion for today is angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors. These are the ramipril, lisinopril, fosinopril, captopril, enalapril, and other prils. Lisinopril and captopril are safer to use in the hepatic dysfunction because these do not require hepatic conversion. Fosinopril is mainly removed from the body through the biliary route. Therefore, in kidney dysfunction, fosinopril is a safer drug. Mechanism of action. These drugs inhibit the angiotensin converting enzyme that converts angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 is a potent vasoconstrictor. It constricts the vessels and therefore blood pressure is increased. But angiotensin 2 is when not produced, then vasodilation occurs. Angiotensin converting enzyme is also responsible for the breakdown of bradykinin into nitric oxide vasodilator and prostacyclin a vasodilator. So these are not produced when angiotensin converting enzyme is inhibited by these drugs, and therefore bradykinin levels in the body are increased. The secretion of aldosterone that is stimulated by angiotensin 2 is also reduced, and therefore sodium and water reabsorption is decreased, diuresis occurs, and the volume of the water or fluid from the body is decreased. These drugs are used in the treatment of hypertension because loss of sodium and water occur from the body when we use these drugs. These are also used to treat the heart failure because these drugs decrease the preload on the heart. These drugs are also used in the diabetic nephropathy because these drugs decrease the loss of albumin and other proteins from the body and therefore are useful in the treatment of diabetic nephropathy. These drugs are also used in the patients that are at the risk of coronary artery disease. These drugs are also useful in the treatment of people who are at the risk of coronary artery disease. The adverse effects of these drugs are dry cough. Reason: dry cough is due to increased levels of bradykinin in the body because bradykinin is now not destroyed by angiotensin converting enzyme because angiotensin converting enzyme is inhibited. This bradykinin and substance P cause the irritation of the bronchial tree due to which dry cough occurs. Hyperkalemia, skin rash, hypotension, angioedema, and teratogenicity are the other adverse effects of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors. These drugs are contraindicated in pregnancy because these are teratogenic drugs. That's all about the angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.